हे गाइस, हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और घंटे पे दबाना ना भूलें। Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see how you can skyrocket your system performance and their speeds. But before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Now moving on to the topic. First you need to go to run and type msconfig like this and press enter. Now there is a on general tab, click on normal startup so that your device driver and services will load properly. Now hop on to boot. There you will see a timeout. You can put it like 5 or 6 seconds. For me it's 5 seconds. Now hop on to startup. Now click on those you want to disable them all. Now apply and click OK. You will see this message. Now exit without restart because we have got more things to do now. Now again go to start and search for disk defragment. An optimizer designed to increase data access speed by rearranging files stored on a disk. Select all, and all you can do is select all the drives if you want to defragment them, or you can do it one by one because this is gonna take some time to do it. You can do is analyze disk. While they're analyzing these drives, uh, as you can see the analyzation has been done. Now you have to do is select all the drives and then defragment disk. Here it is going to take some time, could be 1 hour, maybe more than 1 hour. So I'm going to fast forward this. Okay, finally the defragmentation is completed. Now we are going to close this window, and again we are going to run window key plus R and then type temp. We are going to delete all the temporary residual files that are left behind when you uninstall and when you uninstall the programs. Once again we are going to open run and type %temp % and delete all the files in this also. So guys, this is it for today, and I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching my video, and do like this video and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for more new updates.